just now we have discussed means that what will be the change in the EBIT if the sale is going to increase, and we have considered that 1000 units, we have considered 1400 units, and suppose there is a decrease in the sale also, 800 units. Everything remain the same. What we have taken? That sale is given as 10 per unit. Variable cost is given as rupees 7 per unit. Fixed cost is given as 1000. Means I am just trying to clear your doubts that when the sale is increasing, what is happening to EBIT, and when the sale is going to decrease, the fixed cost remain the constant, what will happen? Sale at the rate of 10 rupees, it will be 8,000, 10,000 and 14,000. Variable cost we have at the rate of rupees 7. How much? 5,600. Here we can say as 7,000, and here we have 9,800. It will come to as 2,400, 3,000 and 4,200. That we got as contribution. Right? Minus fixed cost. 1,000, 1,000, and here also 1,000 is there. It is 1,400, 2,000 and 3,800.
800.
42 minus 1,000, 32. And this is your EBIT. This is increase of 40%. That means plus. This we take as a base. This we take as a base from this. Increase of 40% and decrease of 20%. You see about the EBIT increase of from 2,000 to 3,200, 60%. More than proportionate. That means increase. And decrease how much? 30%. Approximately 30% decrease. That means here the sale has decreased to 20% only, but standing cost was there, and our EBIT has increased, EBIT has decreased more than the proportionate. So just now we have seen that when we are increasing the sale by 40%, then our EBIT is increasing by 60%, more than proportionate, because fixed cost is there. And when the sale is decreased by 20%, then EBIT is decreased by 30%, more than proportionate. So that's what I am trying to say, that here what the leverage is trying to draw. The leverage is trying to draw the relationship that if the fixed cost is going to be constant and the sale is going to increase, automatically the benefits are going to rest with the company. If there is no fixed cost, no operating leverage, that means 1 degree will be there. But as we have engaged the assets in the company, automatically our sale is going to increase, automatically our EBIT is also going to increase. So when we keep the constant, you can compensation rate, again there will be decrease. That means more than proportionate itself. So in this way we are trying to say, you try to understand in this way. Leverage is helping us in two ways. One, just to know the movement of the variables. That means relationship between the variables. And second, the risk associated on the cost structure of the company. That means the business risk, the operating risk is there. Because we are having the fixed cost. So company should always keep in mind that high operating leverage is going to benefit the company in terms of higher EBIT. But if the sale amount is going to decrease in near future, then standing cost in terms of fixed cost will trouble the company and it can bring the losses to the company also. So basically operating leverage higher than 1, more than 1 is helping us in knowing that the capacity of the company to recover the fixed cost. Company is supposed to recover the fixed cost as well as the operating cost. So in this way, we can say that higher DOL also shows the risky situation for the company. Higher DL, if DOL is going to increase from 1.5 to 2 times to 3 times, automatically we understand that our EBIT is also increasing. But that is also bringing risk to the company. Also bringing the risk to the company that as the fixed cost is also increasing. And if the sale is going to decrease, then this fixed cost will bring losses to the company. Right? So in this way we can say the operating leverage concept is over. Thank you to all of you.